In this video, we're going to be learning how to securely connect to the dark web in Kali Linux. Simply connecting to the dark web with the TOR browser is not enough to secure your identity. Your IP might be leaked, which will expose your identity. So if you want to browse the dark web completely anonymously, this video is for you. So let's see how to connect to the dark web safely without getting into any trouble. Let's get started. I'm in my Kali Linux right now. To connect to the dark web, we're going to be using something called the TOR browser. TOR by default is installed in your system, but if for some reason TOR is not installed in your system, then open the terminal and type the command sudo apt install tor browser -launcher -y and press enter. And TOR browser will be installed in your system. I already have TOR browser installed. Then click on the Kali application menu and search for TOR browser. As you can see, this is the icon of the TOR browser. Click on it to start it, and TOR browser will start. Now to simply connect to the TOR network, which is the dark web, click on connect, and you will be connected to the dark web. This is the easiest way to connect to the dark web, but it is not secure. Later in the video, I will show you how to securely connect to the dark web. But first, let's understand what can we do when we're on the dark web. So after connecting to the dark web, if I go to the site dnsleaktest.com to check my IP address and location, I can see my IP address and location is changed, which gives me a layer of anonymity. Now with the TOR browser, you can also go to sites like google.com. This will not be on the dark web. This is in the clear net. If you want to access dark web websites, you need to go to the address that ends with .onion and have random strings like this. This is the dark web version of the CIA website. Now where can you get these websites? One of the most famous sites is AMIA. This is the Google version for the dark web since Google cannot crawl the .onion URL. AMIA will crawl for TOR hidden services where you will get access to other dark web websites. Similar to AMIA, there is also Hidden Wiki. Other than this, you can directly go to the website if the website owner directly sends you the link. For example, broadcast news media like CNN and BBC have their own dark web version for anonymous tipping. When you're connected to the dark web, make sure not to expose your personal information. 99% of the time, when people get caught using the dark web, it is not due to any technical reason. It is because of talking too much and exposing the identity. Also, when you're browsing through the dark web, make sure not to download any files, as the files might contain malware, which will infect your system. If you decide to purchase something from the dark web, make sure to always pay in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, which will make you anonymous during the payment process. Finally, to safely connect to the dark web, first we're going to be using a VPN. If you use a VPN, your internet service provider will not know that you're connected to the TOR network, which is an extra layer of security. As you can see, I'm using NordVPN right now, and my country shows that I'm from United States. NordVPN also has a kill switch. The kill switch of NordVPN will ensure that even if my VPN goes down, my internet will be disconnected, which will prevent accidental IP leak. So after you're connected to the VPN, open TOR browser, and when TOR browser starts, do not click on connect right away, click on configure connection. From here, click on privacy and security, scroll down until you see security level, change from standard to safest. This will automatically disable JavaScript, making you much safer from the hackers. Other than this, you can choose to block dangerous and deceptive content, also block dangerous downloads, and that's pretty much it. Now you can connect to the dark web safely. So that is for the end of the video. This was just a short tutorial on how to browse the dark web.